देखिए, आपको पता है कि क्लास 12th में इंग्लिश की 2 बुक्स हैं। एक तो रेनबो और दूसरी आपको है क्या, स्टोरी ऑफ इंग्लिश। तो दी रेनबो यानी कि रेनबो से तो मैंने प्रोज और पोइट्री के समरी का वीडियो मैं भेज चुका हूँ। और अब रहा स्टोरी ऑफ इंग्लिश, जो समझिए कि स्टोरी ऑफ इंग्लिश से क्वेश्चन आंसर के आधार से, मतलब वो जो पूछे जाते मार्क्स के आधार से चला जाए तो बहुत ही अच्छा पूछा जाता है, यानी कि कम क्वेश्चन से अच्छे मार्क्स उठते हैं। तो आज जो है स्टोरी ऑफ इंग्लिश से मैं क्वेश्चन डाल रहा हूँ, है ना। ये 2022 के 2022 की परीक्षा के लिए काफ़ी उपयोगी होंगे। तो चलिए अब मैं शुरू करता हूँ। जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, राइट शॉर्ट नोट इंग्लिश टू बी इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज और सेकंड लैंग्वेज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। राइट ए ब्रीफ नोट ऑन ग्लोबल इंग्लिश और व्हाट आर द साइलेंट फीचर्स of the modern English. Answer. English is real and spoken. English is read and spoken in the large number of the countries. Almost all the former colonies of Britain have English as an important language. Naturally, it has become the language of Naturally, it has become the language of international trade, commerce, science, and diplomacy. Thus, English is the international language or second language of the world. You can say English is the global language. Question second. Write short on the future of English. Write short note on the future of English in the India. Write short note on the importance of English for Indians. Answer. The future of English very bright in India. It played an important role in providing a linked language. In our country, it helped in bringing the people of different religions on one platform. It played an important role in our fighting against the British. Question third. What are the 3 main periods in the history of the English language? Answer. 3 main periods in the history of English language are Renaissance, Augustan Age, Romantic Revival. Question 4. Name 5 major Indian writers in English. Question 4. Name 5 major Indian writers in English. Answer. 5 major Indian writers are Raja Rao. Again answer. Answer. 5 major Indian writers are Raja Rao, B. Mulk Rajanand, C. R. K. Narayan, D. Manohar Malgaonkar, E. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 5. Name the language from which the words given below have been borrowed into English. Guru, chocolate balcony, coffee algebra. Answer. Words, languages. Guru from Hindi, chocolate from French, balcony from Italian, coffee from Turkish, algebra from Arabic. Question 6. What relation led to the borrowing from different languages? Answer. The rapid rate of the science growth and development made the English realize that their vocabulary lacked the words to express news express these new ideas and techniques. This led to the borrowing from Latin, French, Greek, Italian, Spanish, and other languages. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and write comment if you have any problem. Thanks for watching my video.